Locate the engine coolant reservoir. Clean the reservoir to enhance visibility and prevent contaminants from falling in when the cap is removed.
This vehicle has a traditional cooling system.
Locate the maximum and minimum fluid level markers on the side of the reservoir. Remove the cap to add fluid.
Look in your owner's manual to determine the type of engine coolant your vehicle requires. Mix the coolant with distilled water so that you have a combination that is 50% coolant and 50% water. Some coolants will come pre-mixed, which means you don't have to add any water. Add the coolant and water mixture into the reservoir up to the full line. The engine should be cold when you do this.
Secure the cap onto the reservoir.